This is animals weather prediction.
This is animals weather. I've been studying the weather over 42 years. We are in for a good summer, late summer, and in for a very good bank holiday. And the summer will continue really good. Ooh, ooh, ma, ma. Quack, quack, quack. September will come in good, nice blue sky and plenty of sunshine. Got woo, woo. Third week during September will change to thunder rain, gale force winds, still very mild. Autumn starts on the 23rd of September, so the summer continues to the 22nd of September. Still staying mild, windy, gale force winds up to 30, 50, up to 80 miles per hour. In many places, bringing the high tides will do a lot of damage. Floods many homes. Once again, gale force winds picking up as we are in for a wet, windy, mild autumn and winter. See normal frost, autumn, not so cold, and thunder and lightning any time in the autumn. Staying very windy, gale force winds all the way up till March. Ooh, ooh. That's a fish. Quack, 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 quack. Temperature-wise for the autumn and winter, 46, 48, 50, 54, 56 Fahrenheit, all the way through. And normal frost through the autumn and winter. We're coming up to the final of the weather station, man. Winter staying mild, windy, with gale force wind. In for a wet Christmas for many years. Staying mild, strong gale force winds and mild and normal frost for the time of year. March and bit snowy in February, but March will miss the snow. Ooh. Quack, 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 quack. Woo, woo. That's a fish. Ooh, ooh. And the flower I'm holding is a white lavender. No nurseries can grow them, and the other one can grow them. Took 7 years for me to crack it. Bye for now. Enjoy the weather forecast.